Now, as our team coverage continues tonight, many are just hearing about the third person arrested in that case, attorney Kent Mawhinney. Now, Susan touched on this briefly, but we wanted to dig deeper into the connection the lawyer from Bloomfield had with Fotis Dulos even before Jennifer went missing. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Matthew Campbell joins us live right now. He's in the control room with more details for us tonight. Matthew, what are you learning?
Yeah, Mark, we first reported on the connection that Mawhinney had with Fotis Dulos back in August. Today, we learned how deep that connection ran. Who is Kent Mawhinney? As this saga unfolds, that's what many watching today have been asking. Mawhinney has a law firm in Bloomfield and previously represented Fotis Dulos in civil cases unrelated to Jennifer's disappearance. In the arrest warrant, police describe him as a personal friend of Fotis. In Fotis' arrest warrant, Mawhinney's name came up many times in his and Troconis' alibis. Last year, Mawhinney was arrested twice by South Windsor police, once for domestic violence, the second time for violating a protective order. We first introduced you to Mawhinney in August, shedding light on his behavior with his estranged wife. According to court documents, she says Fotis tried to set up meetings at his Farmington home on multiple occasions and called her numerous times to talk about patching up her marriage with Mawhinney. After taking out a $750,000 life insurance policy, she told police, quote, she was in fear for her safety. She felt she was being baited, and Dulos was working on behalf of Mawhinney to get rid of her. Days later, Jennifer would go missing, and Mawhinney would be arrested for violating the protective order. Tonight, in Mawhinney's arrest warrant, we learned it was in this time frame in May that the hole a witness described as a shallow grave was found at the Windsor Rod and Gun Club, a club Mawhinney founded.
That was the only time we've been surprised in this file. We did not contemplate an arrest of Mr. Mawhinney.
Fotis' attorney Norm Pattis shocked by this development. Pattis says Mawhinney was going to be an important part of the defense, expected to testify that he was with Fotis the morning Jennifer went missing.
Now that he's been charged, he's going to be testimonially unavailable to us.
We went to Mawhinney's Stevens Road home in South Windsor, where a woman appeared.
I'm so sorry, I can't talk.
Neighbors who have known the attorney for years are stunned he's now been arrested in connection with a case that's drawn international attention.
So it's very hard to believe someone like him will do something like this. So it's really, really unbelievable.
Now, Mawhinney is being held on $2 million bond. His charge, conspiracy to commit murder. That's the latest live here in the control room tonight. Matthew Campbell, Channel 3 News.